Okay, we're going to be showing how we can use Blooket in the classroom to create a fun and engaging game for the students. So we're going to go to blooket.com and we're going to set up an account because it is a lot easier to save your Blookets and edit them as needed. If we go to create, then we can create our own Blooket, or we can go to discover, and this will show Blookets that you can find that match your material, or you can find just some fun ones for the students if you have time to play. We'll go back to the dashboard and we'll see my sets. Here I can edit, delete them, I can have some settings for them, change them, and I can host the game. So I'm going to go ahead and host. Here I have multiple game modes to choose from, and if we go to Gold Quest, host that, we can choose how long the game will last, and we can change that here, and we can also see if the game will end after the gold has been collected, and we can change the gold goal here. And here are some more settings that you can change for the game. So we'll press host now. Here we will have a game ID, and we're going to have the students enter this in on their screens. So the students will go to blooket.com/play, and here they'll enter the game ID, and afterwards they can choose a name. And they can choose a character that they would like, and we'll go back to how it looks on your screen. Here you can cross out students if they have joined twice on accident, or if there are inappropriate names, we can cross them out, and we'll go ahead and start. Here are going to be the instructions for the games, and we can go ahead and skip these if you already know how to play the game. There's going to be a leaderboard. This is going to show later on how the students are playing the game. You'll see more about that in a second. This is how much time is left, how much gold you can collect, or how much gold the entire class has collected together. And if we go back to how the student screen looks, here's going to be the question and the answers. So we're just going to go play as normal, and once they get a question correct, then they get to actually play the game. And we're just going to keep going for a little bit just to show the game a little. And here, going to keep going. Oh, and someone just stole gold from me. So what that's going to look like on the teacher screen is right here. Rob just stole 5 gold from Adam. So here we can create a bit of competition for the students. They'll see how much the leaderboard is changing, what's happening with their goals, and that'll want them to take revenge on the other students, which will make them want to play the game more. So we just keep playing, and let's say I got a question incorrect. So here it'll give me time to look at the correct answer, and as you can see, it will not let me progress in the game. I have to actually get the questions correct to keep going. If I'm just spamming through the questions, then I'm never going to be able to actually play the game. So we want to play the game correctly, and we want to remind the students of that too. And if we go back to your screen, we can see that, oh, maybe we ran out of time in the class, so we're going to go ahead and end now, and we'll see how the class ended up. We will see how the leaderboard is now, and we can view a report of the questions. So this shows the entire class percentage, and we can scroll down to see the students' individual percentage. So you can see that Adam maybe needs a little bit more help with multiplying one-digit numbers, so we could take Adam aside and practice more on that, or maybe talk to Adam about how important it is to try in the classroom even when we're dissuaded. And Rob is doing amazing, so Rob can continue on with the other material in the class.